Hi guys, welcome back. Good morning to you all. Hope you have a nice night last night. So guys, in this video I'm only just ask you guys one question. Only one question I'm going to ask you guys, okay? So you guys know that I used to practice hair growth routine. That is, I am good at growing hair. If I want to grow this my hair back, so let me just say to my shoulder length, it won't take me for like 6 months. Highest, let me just say highest 6 months. It will take me like 6 months to grow my hair back. So I want to ask you guys, in what state do you prefer my hair? In what state do you prefer my hair? Do you prefer my hair low as like this? Should I keep on shaving my hair? Should I keep on having haircuts with plenty design? No, those kind of hair design that they used to, that those people, those women used to carry locusts used to do. So does I look good or bad? I should keep on shaving my hair, or should I start my hair growth routine? Should I start growing my hair back? Which one do you prefer? You guys know that if I want to grow my hair back, I don't even know. If I want to grow my hair back, it won't take me for like 6 months. I will be able to grow it back within that 6 months. But I think for me, I think I look better in having my hair shaved. It make me look younger. For my own suggestion, I don't know what to think. So please don't forget to tell me in the comment section. Should I keep on shaving my hair? So don't forget to give me an answer in the comment section. And secondly, for those of you who are asking about the full video of my shaving video, I'm going to upload it very soon as possible. I'll upload it by evening. Around evening, I'm going to upload it by evening. So, and for those who are asking the full video of my siblings shaving video, no, stop, who are asking for my siblings showing video, you guys know that it's not everybody that like showing their face on social media. So even if I want to post that kind of video, I have to take permission from them first. And some of them say that they don't want it, that they do not like me to post the video on social media. So I can't post it. I'm so sorry for that. But for my own, I'm going to upload it by evening. Full video, I'm going to upload it by evening. So I'm waiting for your answer. Don't forget to give me the answer in the comment section. Should I keep my hair low, or should I start growing my hair back? It's very easy for me. If I want to grow my hair back, I'm going to grow it so fast. So should I keep my hair low, or should I start growing my hair back? Okay. So see you in the comment section. Bye for today.